As the Samsung launch event for the Galaxy S24 series approaches, more details are coming out. In the latest series of leaks, new high-quality images have surfaced as well as detail on few key AI features of the Galaxy S24 series, including a clone of the Google Magic Eraser tool from Pixel 8. Mystery Limbs on Twitter X today published what appears to be an extract from marketing material showcasing several key features of the Galaxy S24 series. That include the previously announced live translate features, which uses AI to translate a phone call. Further, there is a night photographic zoom which enhanced low light photos when zoomed in. While Samsung camera source includes telephoto lens, these are sometimes not used in low light condition, so AI enhancement could certainly be used to make improvement there. Not using AI, another point include high resolution, which just mentioned the 200 megapixel main camera on the Galaxy S24 Ultra wide screen display. We would assume that this unfinished language describes the brighter, flatter screen, which gives you more room to do what you love. Perhaps the most interesting tidbit here, though, is the generative edit feature. Samsung described the feature saying, move or remove object. Fill in empty spaces with generative edit requires Samsung account login and internet connection. Sound familiar? While there are likely differences, this sounds basically identical to Google Magic Eraser on the Pixel 8 series, which requires Google Photos backup and the internet connection, which turned out to be the point of connection for some following the series release. It is interesting that despite the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 far better on on-device AI capabilities compared to Google Tensor chip, Samsung still required an internet connection for this feature. Notably, the leaked material mentioned the feature will be supported across all three Galaxy S24 devices. And moving forward, the same leaker also earlier in the day leaked the high-quality images of the Galaxy S24 series, and the images were deleted almost immediately, likely because Samsung have aggressively taken down social media leaks, but Digital Trends managed to capture copies before the removal. Samsung launch event is expected to fall in January 17 as per the leaks, and a recent Samsung website brief confirmed that the date before the company took the information down. And as far as the spec sheet is concerned, here is a complete specification list of two different leakers, which pretty much confirm all the specification of both the devices, which is looking great. For the pricing, yesterday we have seen the pricing of the European market, and it is interesting that both the S24 and S24 Plus will be coming with Exynos and they have lower price, whereas the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 supported Galaxy S24 Ultra will see a price hike, at least in the EU. Whereas for US market, we did not know about the exact pricing yet because there is no leak has been arrived for the pricing in the US. And there is less than a month away from the official announcement of the upcoming Galaxy S24 series. I'm pretty much excited about for the S24 Ultra because of its new AI features that are coming. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Which features of S24 you like? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.